Hi everyone, my name is Steve Buchanan and welcome to my course, Cloud Computing Fundamentals, Governance, Risk, Compliance, and Security. I'm a cloud architect working in the enterprise space. In this course, we will teach you cloud essentials, the value of cloud, what it takes to successfully adopt cloud, along with the impact of cloud on IT service management, and how security and risks apply to cloud. In this course, you will learn the fundamental knowledge needed to understand the essentials of cloud governance, risk, compliance, and security. Some of the major topics that we will cover include identifying the importance and impacts of compliance in cloud, understanding cloud policies or procedures, recognizing risk management concepts related to cloud services, and finally, security concerns, measures, or concepts of cloud operations. By the end of this course, you will have a better understanding of how cloud governance, risk, compliance, and security all apply to the cloud. Before beginning this course, you should have some exposure to cloud technologies and a general background in information technology. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn some core cloud computing fundamentals in this CompTIA cloud computing course at Pluralsight.